Hello learners, welcome to Print Learners. This is Lucky, a BCA second year student, and in this video we are gonna learn about Python programming language. So let's get started. We have to know what is Python language and why its name is Python and how and when it's created. So Python is a general purpose programming language created by Kaidovan Rasum at CWI, which is Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica, which is the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands during 1991. Python is a successor of ABC programming language. Why its name is Python? Python, the programming language named by its creator Guido van Rossum after the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. He was a fan of the show and thought the name would be short, unique, and slightly mysterious, fitting for the language he was developing. So he named it Python. Python's syntax is designed to be simple and clear, resembling natural English language, which makes it relatively easy to learn for beginners and promotes code readability and maintainability. So because of this, it is easy to learn and understand. It is an interpreted language because Python's code is executed line by line by an interpreter, eliminating the need for a separate compilation step. This facilitates rapid development and debugging. It is a high-level language which abstracts a low-level detail like memory management and system architecture, allowing developers to focus on problem solving rather than intricate system interactions. The next one is platform independent. Python code can run on various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux without modification, ensuring portability. So it is platform independent language. Python automatically determines the data type of variable at runtime, meaning you do not need to explicitly declare a variable type, which simplifies the coding. Because of that, it is a dynamically typed language. It is free and open source because it freely available for use and distribution, and its source code is open, enabling community contribution and modifications. Next, extensive standard library. It comes with a vast collection of modules and packages that provide pre-built functionalities for diverse tasks from web development to data manipulation. A large and active global community provides extensive resources, documentations, and support for Python's users, making it easier to find solutions and learn. Python can be extended with modules written in other languages like C or C++, and it can also be embedded within other applications to add scripting capabilities. So it's extensible and embeddable. And it has another key feature like automatic garbage collection. There are many top companies who used Python to build their software like Google, Dropbox, a cloud service based software, Bloomberg, OpenAI, Uber, PayPal, YouTube, Amazon, Instagram, Quora, Spotify, IBM, Reddit, and many more. We can use Python for web development, game development, web scraping, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science and analysis, app development, automation and scripting, embedded application, DevOps and cloud computing, scientific and numeric applications, and many more. That's it in this video. In the next video, we are gonna learn how to install Python and run it in our VS Code. So till then, bye bye and take care. Thank you for watching this video.